Same day, different dollar. Same day, different dollar.
Same day, different dollar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Same day, different dollar.
All right. Sounds good.
We're doing the rear end this
Doing the
week.
rear end,
This week.
and we're gonna turn it for the first time on the rotisserie, probably maybe a little less than 45 degrees, and we're ready to go. So, you ready?
I don't know.
All right, tighten her up. Ha ha ha! Pretty cool. All right.
Okay, shot for shot now. Oh, that didn't go anywhere.
It went farther than I thought it was going. So there's that.
You gotta fight. You gotta fight.
It might not fit. You might need it. Oh, it does fit. How about that?
I'm going the wrong way.
That's how you switch it. That's reverse. Very nice. Okay.
I don't know which one.
Yeah, it should be fine. Now look how blown out those shocks are. You shouldn't be able to do that. Just in case, I'm gonna be out of the way because that might swing down when that comes off. Yeah, so just hold up for a second. Let's try to get this trailing arm off as well. So I think that's 19, but we're probably going to need the breaker bar, which is the long bar, and the 19. 19? No. 17 maybe. All right, and then get a 17 3/8 on the air ratchet, electric ratchet, whatever you want to call it.
Damn.
Okay. All right, now let's take those out. All right, now it might swing down. I don't think it is, but get that one first because that one's going to be tight. Yeah, so then get the ratchet. This here.
You said that was a breaker bar.
Breaker bar. Oh, wow. Okay. What size is this? 16? Get a long 1/2 inch extension. And we'll utilize the rust hole. Okay. All right, and you're going to take that one out, and I'm going to hold this.
If it comes out.
All right. You might want to come and maybe hold something. I got one bolt that won't come out all the way, but it's loose enough. It should allow us to get it out. So we'll see.
What am I holding?
So this, I think, is going to try to fall down, and so is the trailing arm in the back. But okay, let's see what it does. Okay, let it go. Okay. Okay. Good. All right. Now I'm gonna pry this off, and hopefully it comes right out. You got that pry bar again?
No, what you do with it?
Oh, I got it. Yeah, I think there might be some tension on this. Okay, so there's no tension, but it's just stuck. There we go. So there's a little bit of tension, but just mostly stuck. Okay. Oof. And there's the rear end. All right, now the dike cutters. Oh, that tube is squished a little. Looks like it's squished.
These ones.
Yep. Nope. But those will work. Maybe.
You have the dikes.
All right, that's garbage. Oh yeah, right there. I think that e-brake tube is squished. I think that's why I'm having trouble with it, but that's it for this side. Now we can go to the other side. Probably pull that cable out
What cable?
from underneath. There's a cable under there, way in the front.
Wait, the front. This one?
Yep. You pull that right out. Okay. You see the brake fluid again? Very clean under here for almost 50-year-old car. All right, let's try it again. Ready?
Yep.
Your hands are, you're free.
Okay, it's
Yep.
free.
Okay, careful. Yep, hold that. Hold on, let me get out of here because I feel this is going to hit me in the face. Now, move that out of the Okay. All right, now you can take that cover plate off. We'll get that off afterwards. And I don't remember what size that was, but it's not that. And I'll get this out of the way. That's okay. Let's try to get that one on top first. No.
Oh, I can't.
Okay. Regular with that. Okay, the air ratchet. What do I do with that?
Yeah.
It's powerful, so be careful.
Why is it making that noise? What am I holding?
Huh?
What,
Pull
this?
that trigger, yep. So get it on there, and
Why
it's
is
going
it
to kick
making
you.
that noise?
So hold it good.
Kick me where?
It's going to want to do that.
I'm not done.
Okay.
Is this gonna fall?
Nope. Okay, now we can pry that off. Now that we know what the other side looked like, we don't have to be as afraid. Okay, that's that. Just kind of have to remember that that's how we got to put it in. Put a little bit below that, and then work it in. Very nice. And I believe that's it. That's everything.
Okay.
And there it is.
Here's a mess.
Suspension is completely out.
Yes.
So now it's on to
She's just a shell.
metal
now.
work. Just a shell.
Bear.
Bear. So on to the metal work, which I believe we're going to start with the cargo floor patches, just so we can get a feel for it, and work our way up to the front floor and footwells, and go from there. So that'll be next time.
Next time. Okay.
All right.
Like, subscribe, all the fun stuff.